Once again, we are in after hours with Priceline.com. It's a wonderful, great story. We got about a $37 gap from the close. We went up as high as 715 up here. We dropped down, and here is the trade that we did. When Priceline closed, we did a trade here that we are going to show you. Here is the time we closed. We had limit orders out to buy 100 shares at 637.50, and we did. We got filled on 39 shares at 637.50 of our 100 shares. They only gave us 39 at 637.50. We sold them at 670 for a total gain of $1,267 in after hours. That means that when this thing dropped down to the bottom, it shows 641, but we got filled at 637.50 because it shows it in 100 share increments only, not 39. But nonetheless, before the headline number dropped it all the way down to the bottom, we got filled and it went right up and we sold it. And we had lots of other people buy it down here. And that was the preliminary number on Priceline. So Priceline beat by 27 cents, reports revs and lines. They guide Q1 EPS in line and revs in line. Okay? And that for 2013, total gross bookings of approximately 30%, of 37%. Okay, that's an increase of approximately 29%, 39% on local currency basis now. They have their international gross traveling bookings. We'll go through all of the EBITDA and we'll go through all of that with our people that do the earnings. Once again, it was a great super gap. We bought it down here at the low. We sold it out at 670. We had other players that wrote it up higher that had more shares, but that was that first MMT trade. 678 with an entry of 637.50, and here is the brokerage dealer. You can see that we had 100 of them there, but they only filled us on 39. And it closed at 678. We were super wholesale, but we know how to do earnings in after hours. Wonderful gap on Priceline. Plus, we have the calls on Priceline. And right now, Priceline does what it always does. Drop it down on the headline number, then run it up to the highs. And that's exactly what we did. And it was a wonderful trade.